Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix verification required on App Store. Let's dive into the tutorial. If your App Store keeps saying verification required, you would wonder why does App Store say verification required? There can be several reasons. You see Apple App Store verification required loop. So in order to fix that, firstly, simply open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now, once you're inside these settings, all you have to do is simply tap on your name on the top, and after you tap on the name, then you will be navigated to the Apple ID settings. Once you are in the Apple ID settings, all you have to do is tap on the payment and shipping option available there. Then you'll be asked to sign in with the Apple ID or simply use Face ID verification. Now, if you see, select add payment method, or if you don't, then simply enter the new payment method and tap on the done option available in the top right corner of your screen. Tap edit and press the red delete button next to the old payment method and delete it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.